Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Grabie watercolors set on the market, the Grabie 168 Colors Watercolor Paint Set. If you're an artist looking to expand your creative horizons, or a beginner wanting a comprehensive kit, this set might just be what you need to get inspired and bring your artwork to life. This watercolor set is a complete package designed for artists of all levels. It boasts an impressive 168 vivid colors, which is a massive palette offering endless possibilities. What makes this set stand out is not just the quantity but the variety. It includes 84 regular colors, 48 metallic colors, 12 fluorescent colors, and 24 macaron colors. This broad range allows you to experiment with subtle hues, vibrant shades, and sparkling metallics, helping your creations really pop. The quality of the pigments is another highlight. Grabie uses finely milled, high-quality pigments that blend smoothly and evenly. Whether you prefer wet-on-wet or wet-on-dry techniques, these watercolors deliver good transparency and smooth washes that give your paintings a delicate, ethereal quality. The pigments are specially formulated to avoid cracking, so your work stays beautiful over time. Beyond the paints themselves, this set comes with several handy tools that make painting easier and more enjoyable. Included in the package is a coloring book with 10 sheets of pre-drawn line art printed on cotton paper. This is perfect for relaxing and practicing your watercolor skills, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. The set also includes 3 versatile water brushes, so you don't have to carry separate water containers, perfect for on-the-go creativity. There's a soft sponge, a drawing pencil, and a sharpener, rounding out the kit to provide everything you need for a smooth artistic journey. Portability is a big advantage of this set. The colors are housed in a sturdy metal pan that sorts and protects the paints, making it easy to take your art supplies wherever you go without worrying about damage or mess. This makes it an ideal travel companion for artists who like to create outside the studio or simply want a convenient all-in-one set. The overall design is thoughtful, with the metal case keeping the paints organized and accessible. It's also versatile enough to use with other mediums, so you can mix and match with your existing art supplies. Whether you're working on detailed design projects, still life paintings, cartoons, or mixed media, this set adapts to your style. In summary, the Grabie 168 Colors Watercolor Set is a vibrant, versatile, and well-rounded kit that caters to artists who want both quality and variety. It offers a huge spectrum of colors, high-quality pigments, useful accessories, and great portability. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and explore the world of watercolor painting with a comprehensive kit, this set from Grabie is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and creative insights. Until next time, keep creating.